seconds of walking lunges. Yes, carry on, carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Drop your weight, relax yourself. We are going to do one more set of walking lunges. Take a breather. All right. Let's get ready. This time, walking lunges for 1 minute. Chest out, back straight, shoulders roll back while you hold your weights. And start. Yes. Good, good. Yes, make sure your body weight is in the center, not too much inclined forward. Yes. Keep walking, we are halfway through. Twenty seconds more. Relax. Okay. So we are through with our walking lunges as a pre-workout drill. Now let's look at the workout today. So today's workout is CrossFit. So we have around 5 movements. So the workout is EMOM, which is every minute on minute. All right. So minute 1 has a movement, minute 2, minute 3, minute 4, and minute 5. All right. You have to do 3 sets of that. And what is the movement? So sprawls, push-ups, renegade rows and thrusters. Every count is 10. Okay. Now just watch the movement. The first one is a sprawl. And how are we going to do it? Just watch it. Let me place my mat as well. Okay. Now you are going to hold the dumbbell in both the hands. Okay. Now from here you go down. Place your body weight on your dumbbells. Take your legs back. Bring your legs forward and get up. Down, legs back, legs forward, get up. Down, legs back, legs forward and get up. Yes? Let's try it with dumbbells. If you're not able to do it with dumbbells, you can do the other sprawls as well. Yes. Let's try that. 5 sprawls right now on the body weight on the dumbbells. Yes. Okay. All right. Once you're done, relax. Okay. Let's see the next movement now. The next movement is a push-up. Now again, we are going to use dumbbells here. Place the dumbbell on your mat in a push-up stance. This is your push-up stance. Now here, do a push-up on your dumbbells. Okay, so your hands are on your dumbbells and like we do your push-ups. Okay, so if you do it on your knees, the movement remains the same. Your hands are holding the dumbbell. You go down, you come back up. Alright, and if you are doing full push-ups, you go down and you come back up. Yes, let's try doing 2-3 push-ups right now to see if you are comfortable with your body weight on the dumbbells. Let's take a look. Good Bhavna, good. Yes. Sumana, try doing the knees push-ups. Okay. Yes, good. All right, relax. Okay. Minute 3 is your renegade rows. And how are we going to do it? Just watch. Again, on your dumbbells, you balance your body weight here in the plank pose. Now from here, lift one hand, do the row, lift the other hand, do the row. So there is a rowing on your dumbbells. So when you come back, you place your hands on your dumbbells. If this seems difficult, you can place the palms like that and keep lifting dumbbell one by one. Even that is fine. Alright, let's try what renegade rows we are able to do. Let's try. Yes. Either you place your palms on the floor and lift up the dumbbell one by one. Yes. Or place your body weight on the dumbbells and try doing it. Yes, good Parag, good. Okay. Yes, good Bhavna. Okay, relax. Alright. The next movement is your, so minute 4th, is your squat to hands clean. And how are we going to do it? Just watch. So, your weight is here, dumbbell is here, legs are shoulder width apart. Now from here, you bend down, lift up, squat and down. Okay? Bend down, up, squat and down. Watch the movement from the side. Bend down, up, squat and down. Yes? Let's try the movement. Down, up, squat, down. Let's do that. Try the movement. Yes, we have done this movement before in the skill enhancement session. Okay. Parag, you're missing the deadlift part. So see, when you start, watch it again everyone. Movement starts with a deadlift. You are here, up, down and back. Again go down, up, down and back. Yes. Yes, good, good. Okay, so remember this movement. Vikram, you're not going to take your hands up. That is a shoulder press. Don't do that. It's a clean movement. Bring it down. Yes, good. Okay, the last movement is a thruster. Now this is confusing, okay? And don't get confused. So you just did the clean movement. Now you are going to do the thruster. The thruster movement, just let me change my camera angle. The thruster movement goes like this. It starts from here, okay? You bend down, thrust up. Bend down, thrust up. Yes? Let's try that 5 thrusters right now. Start, yes. Radhika, legs wider. Yes. Vikram, slightly legs wider. Good, Parag, good. Good, everyone else. Yes, good. Relax. Okay. So now let's look at the workout. It is 5 minutes, 3 rounds. Okay. Minute 1. Okay. Minute 1 is your sprawls 10 counts. Okay, if you finish 10 counts in let's say 40 seconds, the remaining 20 seconds is your rest period. Okay, second movement is your push-up, 10 push-ups. Okay, alright. Third movement is your renegade rows, 5 on each side renegade rows. Okay. Fourth movement is your hands clean, squat to hands clean, 10 counts. Okay. Last fifth movement is your thruster, 10 counts. Alright. Yes, that is your workout. I'll keep telling you after every minute what is the next minute going to be. Okay. So don't worry on the sequence. Just make sure you do 10 counts of every movement in that minute. Alright, the first one is a weighted sprawl. Let's get ready. We are going to start the workout in 3, 2, 1. Start. Minute 1 started. 10 sprawls, weighted sprawls. Yes, good. 10 sprawls, yes. Yes, good. Yes, Amit, try to take both the legs back together. If you're done 10 sprawls, you can relax as we still have half a minute left. Yes. Very good, Bhavna. Okay, 10 seconds to go. Next movement is your weighted push-ups. Alright, let's get ready. 10 counts, start. Push-ups on the dumbbells. Yes. Very good, Neeti, good. Yes, good, Radhika, good. Don't let your thighs touch the floor. 10 counts. If you're done 10 counts, you can get up and walk. Okay. The next movement is your renegade rows. So you balance yourself on the dumbbell, 5 on each hand. Make sure you do the rowing correctly. Yes. And start. 5 on each hand. Yes. Try doing it alternate. Don't do it 5, one go and then 5 another go. Do it alternate. Yes. Very good, Neeti. Yes. Good, Dipen. Good. Yes. So wanna try keeping your torso down.
Next time I'll do it alternate. मेरे को पता नहीं था.
Yeah. Sure. No problems. Okay. Let's get ready. The next movement will be your squat to hands clean. Just watch the movement. Revising it for you. Deadlift, squat, cleans. Deadlift, squat, cleans. Yes, let's get ready. Okay, start. 10 counts. Let's go for it. Yes. Yes, so Mona, deadlift, squat and clean. So you need to bring your dumbbell down. Don't take it up. Yes. Yes. Neeti, don't take your dumbbell up. That is the next movement. Yes. So from here only you need to bring your dumbbell down. Yes. Good. 10 counts. Yes, Bhavna. Yes, good. Keep your chest out, back straight, Bhavna. Don't hunch your back. Yes. Up, squat. Yes. And clean. Yes. Okay, get ready for thrusters now. 10 seconds to go. Next movement, thruster goes like this. So you squat and thrust up. Squat and thrust up. Yes. Let's start. 10 counts. Everyone, 10 counts. Yes. Yes, good. Very good, Parag. Very nice. Good, Bhavna. Good. Thirty seconds to go. Okay. 20 seconds. Yes. So in another 10 seconds, you are going to start with round 2. Starting with your sprawls. Okay? Yes? Let's get ready. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Start. Sprawls. Everyone, yes. Hands on your dumbbells, preferably. 10 of these. Yes, very good, Neeti. Good. Yes, Bhavna, start with your sprawls. First movement. Wait, Neeti, we haven't started with push-ups yet. Okay, you were practicing, fine. 5 seconds to go to start with your push-ups on your dumbbells. Start. 10 push-ups, everyone. Let's do that. Yes. Good, good, good. Yes, good Bhavna, good. Keep looking straight. Good Sumona, excellent. Go down deeper. Good Radhika, good. 10 counts. If you are done, you start walking. Taking a breather is important if you have earned it. Okay, 20 seconds to go. And after that, you are going to start with your renegade rows. So this movement is what you are going to do. Alright, let's get ready. Okay, 5 seconds. Take your positions. Start. 5 on each side, renegade rows. Yes, let's go for it. Yes. Yes, Parag, slightly keep your torso down. Yes, good Amit, good. Carry on. Good Dipin. Yes, 5 on each side and then you can relax yourself a bit if you wish to. 30 seconds to go for the minute to end. Okay, let's observe the next movement, which is your squat to hands clean. So, you do a deadlift, lift up, squat. You need to do the clean movement before you go down, okay? So, you do a deadlift, up, squat, clean. Okay, then again go down, up, squat, clean. Okay, let's do this. Start, 10 counts. Yes. Squat and clean. Very good, Parag. Yes, good. Bhavna, concentrate on the clean movement. Bring your dumbbell down, then go down. Yes. Up, squat, bring your dumbbell down. Yes, then go down. Yes. 10 counts. Very good, Neeti. Good, Radhika, good. Okay. 10 seconds to go for the thrusters. So thruster is this movement. You squat and thrust up. Squat and thrust up. Yes. Let's go for it. Start. Everyone, 10 thrusters. Yes. Carry on, carry on. Good, good. Very good, Sumona. Very nice. Good, Bhavna, good. Yes. 20 seconds to go. Last round, guys. Okay. So in another 10 seconds, we are going to start with sprawls. Now remember the names of the movement also. So sprawls is your body weight is on your dumbbells. You take your legs back, legs forward, and you get up. All right, start. Last round, 10 sprawls, everyone. Quickly. Let's do that. Yes, faster. This time faster. Yes, very good, Sumona. Yes. Good, Vikram, good. Yes, good, Bhavna. Excellent. Very nice, Niti. Keep it up. Good. Okay. All right. 10 seconds to go before you start with your push-ups. All right. Take your position. 5 seconds. Start. 10 push-ups. Let's do that. Body weight on your dumbbells. Yes, deeper, deeper. Don't worry about speed too much in this. Go deeper. As deep as possible. Okay, still have 30 seconds for the minute to end. The next movement is your renegade rows. 5 on each side. We still have 20 seconds, so rest. Rest. Keep breathing. So fill up your stomach as you breathe. So though we breathe from our lungs, we need to expand our diaphragm. Yes. Okay, get ready. Take your position. Renegade rows. 5 on each side. Start. Try to stabilize your body, torso down in one straight line. Yes, perhaps slightly torso down, maybe an inch or so. Yes, good. Good, Amit, good. Good, Vikram, good. Yes, Sumona, much better. 5 on each. Yes, very good, Bhavna. Okay. The next is your squat to hang cleans. Let me revise the movement, this one for you. So the movement is this one. Deadlift, up, squat, cleans. Deadlift, up, squat, cleans. Yes, let's do that. Start. 10 counts. Last set. Yes. Yes, keep your chest out, back straight throughout. Don't hunch your back. Okay. 10 seconds to go for the minute to end. Finish off your counts. Okay, get ready for thrusters now. Last movement, 10 counts. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Thrusters. Yes. Bend down in a squat. Do a shoulder press. Yes. And thrust up. Yes. Thrust up. Use your core. Continuous movement. Don't break your movement. Yes. Good. Okay. Once you are done, you relax. We are through with our CrossFit EMOM 15 minutes. Relax yourself.